Yo, today we're gonna do an oil change on the TORO Z-Master4000. Enjoy. Woo! What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blades Grass Lawn Care, and today we are going to do an oil change on the TORO Z-Master4000. Now, it is recommended that after the first 10 hours of use that you change the oil, right? But then I messed up, guys. You know why? Because I have, can you see that? 12 hours of use, 12.3. So I kind of went beyond the time frame, but no big deal, right? No big deal. This is the 48-inch deck TORO Z-Master4000, and what I'm going to do is show you real fast and quick, guys. I'm not going to spend too much time on an oil change, okay? This is simple oil change on a Kawasaki FX751V engine. All right, this engine has a 24.5 horsepower engine. It is extremely strong, and it does what it's supposed to do. Now, after the oil change, guys, which is going to be real quick and fast, I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to give you my first 12.3 hour impression of this mower, okay? And I asked Toro when they said it was going to give me this mower. I said, yo, you sure you want to give it to me, man? Because, you know, I'm going to let you know straight up, and I'm going to show all my subs the cut quality. You know, what I do is transparent, and you guys know. I show you and I'll tell you about it, right? So after the oil change, I'm gonna show you exactly what I think is good about this mower and what I think is not so good about this mower, right? All right, so let's move on to what we need as far as equipment. No, not equipment, materials to get this oil change done, right? Let's go. All right, guys, I hope it's not too windy. I'm using the Kawasaki 20W550 4-cycle engine oil. This particular engine takes 2.4 quarts of oil, and that's with the oil filter right here included, right? How do you measure 0.4? Do anybody know? Put in the comments. So nah, don't put in the comments, guys, because I don't care. Yeah, no big deal. 2.4 quarts. So yeah, so what I did is I had the engine running for, you know, a few minutes to get the oil nice and warm, and let's go ahead and do a quick oil change, right? Now, this is what we need as far as materials to get this oil change done. You know, you need the 3 quarts. You know, really, you know, like I said before, the engine only needs 2.4 quarts. So make sure you keep that in your trailer, and every day before you go out, guys, or every other day, at least once a week, check your oil. Have you guys check your oil, okay? Brand new filter, which is a Kawasaki filter, and your wrench, your paper towel, your container. This is where I drop my oil in, and then I pour it into my container, and then once I'm finished with the container, once it's full, then I take it over to the recycling place to recycle my oil. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, put on my gloves. All right, guys, so the oil is nice and warm. So what I do now, and I love that they have it set like this, right? All you have to do is, this is usually laying like there. So do the drain. This is a drain plug. So you take it and put it right here. Hope you can see that. Come right here. Put this to the side. Come up here. Just put it right here. And let it drain. That's it. Just let it drain, let it drain. So what I usually do is once the oil is drained, then I'll take out the oil filter and go ahead and replace it. But I'll show you how I do that. Hey guys, so here's a hint for you while we're waiting for the oil to finish draining. Get your white marker or get your piece of tape, a white piece of tape, and then write on your oil filter the hours, okay? At what point you actually made your oil change, because guys, let me tell you, and I've done it many times, you tend to forget if you don't write this thing down, okay? So take a piece of tape, put it across here and write the hours. Like here, I want to put 12.3 hours. This way, anytime I look at this oil filter, I know exactly at what point I actually change it out. All right, so let's move on. I usually hand tighten these, guys. I don't go back and use a wrench to tighten these, and I've never had it come off. Let me know in the description, guys. Do you guys tighten it back up with the wrench, or do you just hand tighten this? Okay, let me see if I can film this portion for you. Put some paper towels under here. Let's see if I can film this. And the goal is to do it real fast so you don't make a mess. There you go. Whew. Nice and clean. And try to be environmentally safe, you know. Maybe I'm showing you too much, right? All right guys, so we'll let this run for a few minutes, check the oil, put in a little bit more if it needs it. If not, then we're good to go. And that's it. That's the whole complete process. Now what you can also do, guys, is use the empty container and pour the bad oil back in your empty container, and then just take it over to any auto store or whatever, and they will recycle the oil for you. Don't throw it in the drain, don't throw it in the trash, none of that good stuff, right? Awesome. So that's it, guys. That's the oil change on a Kawasaki FX 751V engine on the TORO 4000, okay, the Z-Master. Now remember what I told you, once you get all your oil into that container, you can transfer it over into your old receptacles, guys, your old oil containers. Make sure that you get rid of this stuff, okay? Don't have it laying around your shop, then your guys are going to come in thinking that there's brand new oil and put it in there, okay? So make sure you keep that to the side and get rid of it as soon as possible, or label it wherever you're going to put it until you dispose of it, okay? Cool.